Then Kaleka 8th grade, Manabo. Oh, hello. Kaleka, man enough here. What did you do? How come? How was it alone? Not alone. Let's have a look. I got to be a say. I got to be here. I'm born out of your name. Even not sure this now. God is able to help me. Even the better, go to bed. After that, how about you? I have to be a tata. Now, I fully tata. Oga flying what tata. That's the way around. I say, you go wine. All the map. I'm going to back home. Ofala age grade 1974 to 1976. Ofala age grade. Looking gorgeous. Looking so beautiful and so good. They are looking so cute. They are looking so cute. Yeah. They are looking. They appear in the spirit of Onitsha. I'm not sure they're going to like that. Like they look cute. Look manly. Hey. They look handsome. Oh, come on. Oh. Why you? I'm going to Colombia. I'm born in Colombia. I'm going to get in Colombia. Hey. This one area. Oh. This one area. I'll be fighting with me. I'll be ready to run it. You think I'm going to Rika? Oh, come on. I'm going to say Kala. I'm going to say the Gosukuta. If I let you be able to. Malumande, 1961 to 1963. Ofala Festival Arrowa. Early December, onye ọbụla kwadobekwa maka mmemme ọzọ na-abịanụ bụ Kolibe Festival 2019. Ọ bụ ụbọchị Onitsha ga-eji wee golie. Anyị bụ obodo ekelu ka anyị na-enwe aṅụrị. Kolibe Festival 2019 ga-ebido n'ọnwa Disemba dị na mkpụrụ ụbọchị 12, mkpụrụ ụbọchị ọgụnịgba, wee lue na mkpụrụ ụbọchị Belo ịnọ n'oru. Kolibe Festival 2019 ga-abụ ụbọchị ga-abụ oge onye ọbụla nọ na South East, during December period, you are all invited to come down to the city of Onitsha to witness this great festival, the third largest festival in Southeast, in the whole of West Africa. Sorry. It's a big festival, an international festival. The Kolibe Festival shall witness a great display of our customs and tradition. It shall also witness lots of fun fair. Everybody get about dreamland. Ndị Ikenye ebe ga-anọ nwa aṅụrị lie ife kwụrụ onye na Chilzon ha ga-abụ na stadium ka ọ ga-adị were mee na Chubipazu Stadium. E ga-enwekwazị mmanwụ festival, mmụọ dị iche n'iche na the whole of Nigeria ga-abịa. Onye ọ dị ga-abịa gosipụta ka ọdịnala ebe kasị dị. A ga-enwe the quintessential monarch, the monarch with outstanding distinction. Chancellor, Ahmadu University, Zagreb. Chancellor, Kogi State University. Chairman, Board of Trustees, Anambra State Chancellor Traditional Grants. The representative of Shell Company, Ofala. The signature of Ofala. Ọbụ Morris Obi. Onye m obodo. Onitsha ebe naanị na mọlele. Arọpụla arọ ekolo Ofala anyị. Anyị ezukọ n'ime obi Onitsha. Bịa nọnyere. Ọ bụ nna ebe ahụ yere n'aka. Asị m na ọkwa bụ ya nwata n'aka ya dị n'ara ekwe ya. Ọ bụ ebe nna anyị fadebe na anyị ọdịnala Onitsha dịka ọ dị mbọsịgbugbo ọ bụ ya ka anyị na-emezu n'ozuzu okie biko n'obodo mkpọrọ etu esi na-egbazila anyị mbọsịgbugbo bụ ndị ikenye na Ofala ka anyị ga-esikọ na-egbazie n'ụmụ anyị lotekwanụ anyị na-akọlọfa akụkọ banyere n'obodo anyị na-agwafa ka anyị si wee gbatakwụrụ obodo si dị ọ ga-abụ n'ọdịnihu ka fa nwee akụkọ fa ma ga-akọrọ ụmụ fa as in the Onitsha, you are just one level with this year. Ọ bụ ndị megasịrị fukwu n'osi ọnụ ebe dị iche iche na-enata n'Onitsha. Onitsha na-ekele unu. We have the presence of the Commissioner of Police, Anambra State, Mr. Aban John, representing the Inspector General of Police. I said no, not a ring there. No.
Onitsha Officers Association,
comprising the military, the police, immigration, prisons, customs, SS, and so on. Thank you very much for coming again. You were here last year. Thank you very much for coming again.
You're welcome.
Welcome to the Ofala Festival, the 18th Ofala Festival in Onitsha. You're welcome.
The second phase of our historic journey of the ancient kingdom of Adonidu. Abudi, Linke Keneyo. Abudi, Ako, Waganagini, Namoche.
Your subjects are here in their age grades today to honor you.
Accomplished professionals.
General.
Hello. Welcome back.
Onitsha, Ofala.
great surveyor and medical doctor of repute, Chief Isaac Yama, to take the stage. Chief Isaac Yama, there will be plays, integral props, and dance to the tune of royalty. This is all about soil. Chief Isaac Yama, there will be on the dance floor on the real drums. Report on it.
Yes, honoring the queen.
Moving Nigeria, and here before. The realms of ancient kingdom of Onitsha you.
Nwanne nwoke na-ekiri akụkụ na-ekiri akụ ndị aka anya. Ọ nwere onye eji akpọkụ n'ike osimiri. Egosipụta ibu onye nọ n'obodo ndị isi Ọnịcha bụ ndị ncha igwe ọ na-agba na-etekọta ana-agala ma na-enwe ọṅụ ọṅụ mmeli. Eji ebe ahụ mee ahịa
a man of means. Hello. Before the newest DJ comes on board, Bayahi announced the arrival of Professor Paul Ugoke, representing the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Bunayano. Professor Paul Ugoke is here with us. Today who makes sure Ugoke is the Director of the Commission of Nigeria, Research Center for Energy Research and Development, UNI. Prof, you're welcome. Please extend our warmest regards to the Minister of Science and Technology, Professor Bunayano, a great man from Ebonyi State. You're welcome. Our next on the dance of the Royal Block is the newest chief in town and the professor all over the United States with his family coming to say visit and dance on royal drums. Before the royal music, water. Executive Secretary of the Pension Transition Arrangement Directorate, Dr. Choma Ejikeme, Commissioner in Anambra State, also the wife of my good friend, on the royal tune of the Arrangement Director PTAD, Dr. Chioma Ejikeme, former Commissioner in Anambra State, wife of our friend, of our architect, Emeka Ejikeme is here with us. Also with us, Dr. Onitsha, representing the Minister of Science and Technology. Welcome.
Communication Director of the Timothy campaign. We are here to Noah. We have in our midst today the General of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Director General of the Federal Corporation of Nigeria, Executive Secretary of Pension Transitional Arrangement of Nigeria, Director Dr. Chioma Ejikeme, former Commissioner in Anambra State, a friend of the family, the wife to Emeka Ejikeme, a distinguished architect, Balu for the last few years, Balu Nizumela last year for funding the YouTube presence of the cultural festival.
We also have today Ernest Adibaka, a special SSA to the governor.
Bo
Ofala is Onitsha. Una mago nature of Beni among Sunday. Ofala. Ebaino Tata. Bumobieze. Ọbaba Jesu Tedike. Oke mwana punaro.
Next on the royal drums, Onoli Oguda, Chief Chuka Tebuka, General Manager, Rashad, General Manager, United Bank of Africa, retired, Executive Assistant, Special Assistant to Chief. the advocate of Nigeria, an accomplished businessman, fully retired, and 2 months ago, he got the Ofala title in Onitsha. A man who is known as Tiger, Thomas Tiger, General Manager, UBA, Executive Assistant to Professor Wagway, and now a very successful businessman in Onitsha. Thomas Tiger, Omele Obida, working case for women who want to take a name. He actually jumps out and dances like a tiger.
Nobody na mo mabna ni ile.
Procedures and methods. The secret civil servant and chartered accountant not chartered. Also be reporter of you
know what said it that you preach and people of no mean left in their chosen professions. But if they kept the plan, if you don't know, all of it will be
also know it is acknowledged. I can put it on your person. To put a medical seminar, will you go there? I can be back to what one, you make a medical regard.
I want to say welcome to you, Chief BC Ubera, Senior Special Assistant to the Governor. Thank you very much for coming again today. Chief BC Ubera. It's also a night, Sir BC Ubera.
Round of calls, beckoning on Chief Medical Seminar. Will you put
it's one round, the
royal drums are beckoning.
And the Federal Civil Batasigo can reach Gasoline Kissel. Honorable Batasia, Pado. One of the holiday. Now the opening will be Onitsha, Maka, Nekene.
Sinaka, Axina, Swing, Onitsha, Maka.
Oh, no, Willie. Mama walking on food. Mother, then you found that one. If I go to Pugo, what I'll be fighting today. I'll be fighting today. I'm going to charge you. You get that one, Rika.
We have next on our list the distinguished teacher, Chief Chapora, Sianobi, Nikono, Ibeke, Thanksgiving, Kechi, and St. Teresa's. And they can talk about ways to see like you do Thanksgiving. Because the car brother last, as often as the last of the NMH Carter. Ibeke, Thanksgiving, the Ani, Pokemon, the also Nichi, the Odo. On the Cuban Union, Rewu, Moranica, the 18 cents, the Thanksgiving, the Golu, the next on roller drums is Chief Charles Warner of CIOB. One tell you here now, you get back to Nika. I'm a surveyor. I'm a medical doctor. I'm an accountant. You have the head of the service. I'm with somebody who I have a service and just for the peace, JP. Also my one another. Head of service of the government. What do I mean? What you call last person? It doesn't matter. Where drums are beckoning to. What is that going to be? Up on your photograph,
Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished guests, the ball is still running. The atmosphere is friendly. Onitsha sons and daughters have all gathered.
Next in line,
Next is
and we're waiting for him.
Retired Colonel, Medical Colonel, Yanni Colonel retired, as the Americans would say.
Oh,
Now he knows he can't be tenants and from business. I'm going to say local now. Retired Colonel in the military arm of the Nigerian Army. In the days the Nigerian Army was Nigerian Army. In the days of yore. Gabriel Emodi, Colonel retired.
Chief Gabriel Emodi,
Colonel retired.
retired but not tired.
And look at the courage. That military courage is still there, isn't it?
He is dancing the royal drum, the tune of the royal drums, lifting his hands in appreciation to the Almighty God for the life he gave our people. Yes, I can believe you me, this man has danced so many corners. They walked up to the far. All the way from the Abadaya was a global.
On the next of the immortal royal music of the ancient Otalo Kingdom, we have Ambassador Michael Oroku, a gentleman, a distinguished diplomat, a humble servant, a man who served in more than 10 missions of the Nigerian government. Michael Oroku Bishop.
Ndị agha eze bụ ego a ka eji anabata ka onye na-abata n'azọ nzọ ụkwụ dike ọ bịakọọlụ nna anyị ka o si wee jee ọ na-abata onwere atụmatụ mmeli ọṅụ mmeli ọlụmụnye a na-ekwu egwu ebube wee na-abata ọ bụ oge na-abụ onye na-azọbata ụkwụ
You have to make it a rope with you. Retired ambassador, affiliated to no less than 26 diplomatic missions. A man of means, currently in real estate development in Nigeria, we are more than about 20 trying to build another in Onitsha. Commercial next set of our people. Ambassador, now in the real estate business, welcome more visitors. Are you sure? Choreographed the water music. Please, we have on real drums Chief Mike Are Ede Bogo Gaga, in the Labour Party, a distinguished gentleman, a man who can cross the waters on foot.
Yes, we have the contingent from Globacom Limited, led by Augustine Mamuru, coming in. They have been solidly behind us for years. We are Ofala Festive. You're welcome. Globacom Nigeria Limited, led by Augustine Mamuru.
One Nigeria, the owner of the prospective Labour Party in Nigeria. Next year, the nephew will be getting married to India Visa. I got no full and direct. Eje Boboganda.
Ladies and gentlemen, please.
Attire of the true Adesoma.
The Asantehene. He was totally dressed in the attire of Asantehene. He had the same history. Broadcaster, video controller, and an entrepreneur. I will explain the better of his life in Onitsha, Lagos, man of many greatness. What English call a polymath, a multi-lingualist, lawyer, professor, a distinguished politician, and the man who does very exquisite professional interior designs for his furniture in places in Lagos and Onitsha that you can bring. Very creative, totally creative-minded, a man of history, a writer, a broadcaster, a lawyer, a distinguished politician of the top party.
Let's welcome here to refresh our memories.
We have next on the royal drum. Royal drums. Festive Unike. Odualu. The Onitsha Youth Council were lively instruments of the Bolivia Festival. Those paid their homage, heavily led by Honorable Ayama. Next on the list of the royal drum dancers, we have, of course, Chief Game Madebuna.
Ozi Adamagwe. Ozi Adamagwe.
An engineer on the beach.
structural engineer.
The man who is credited to have designed and created the current movie that we are in today. To be instrumental to the primary design and construction of the movie. But as you can see, there are tremendous innovations going on. On the arena on the right-hand side has been developed. By this time next year, we have the left-hand side totally developed to an amphitheater of international repute. Beyond that, the Chimedu Museum will of course come on stage. The things we are doing with civilians standing are coming to the fore. So we have Chief Chikemale. Security, please. Civil and structural engineer, the man instrumental to the product design and construction of the current movie. As I said to you earlier on, we are doing a major reconstruction and reconfiguration of the movie. What that means is that it's not the way to be developed to what we have on the right way. And our value movie, power. I'm here, holding the hand up. And this is a notion of your part. I'll grab one day and I'm going to get to like a call. If I get one, we're putting on the theater and they're going to have a kid. In the next 2 or 3 years, we're never going to have this all. This is the distinguished civil and engineer in Germany.
America, every day of the month. So, chicken, Ozi, and the structural engineer, Apple.
We have Gabriel Tatuano, Onitsha, Tatua. Chief Abba Jibekwe. What did I do? Chief Abba Jibekwe, what did I do? The man who's an entrepreneur. One of the most successful people business in Onitsha. But more important, he acts as a go-between between us and our neighbors.
ife a na-eme na-agaghị aka n'anya aga. Ọ bụ ife kwuru ka a na-eme. Ọ bụ etu ọ kwesịrị ịdị ka edebere ya. Ọ bụ ife ga-adịgide ụwa tụ ụwa. Akụkọ banyere Onitsha. Ọ bụ akụkọ gadị ebube arọbụla arọ. Ọ bụ ọdịnala nna anyị na-anapụla anyị wee debe ife anyị debelụ dịka ha si wee debi ebube. Maka ndị na-amara ọnụ, nwa ugo na-eyi ugo n'ọcha. Nna abalị akwa obi. Ụmụ be nke anya na-akọwa ọzọ n'ebe na-eme na maka na anụ ji eze anyị elu ya mara isi n'elu elu. Onye nọ n'ọgbọ bụ Chuma Ọgbọkọba Adazia Ogunani.
Chief Chuma Ọgbọkọba Asagwale. Chief Chuma Ọgbọkọba Adazia Ogunani. Asagwa, a distinguished consultant to the United Nations, over 30 years, lived overseas, Rome, New York, spent some of time in Ibadan. Mission, when you be able to walk here, Ọgbọkọba Asagwa. Chuma Ọgbọkọba, distinguished international civil servant. Hello, Noah. Chief Sam Fuda Usumafa. Bye, Colin. Open them, we are the very important phase of the Azofa. Please listen carefully, no noise. Igwe, Nemeka, Alfred, Ruchutubela, Chepe, Ebenai, The Honorable President of Nigeria will now give us a speech. While we're on it, those who wish to see his remnants can do that. We're waiting for emails addressed to his people and here at diaspora. As we know, this whole project, this whole event is streamed live on YouTube.
All police posts and the police. Commissioner of Police and what they want IG, Robert Ponezia, Abia,
I was a library in Onitsha. So I love it. I knew Mark so that people were not was the other. And still have the show center. Offices I don't know as we said, I was located at 9 offices. They are all occupied now. Various so all right now. It was a new time. They are all going very well. We enjoy video training, and then enjoy skill acquisition, and then enjoy entrepreneurship skill. And I think we the grand patron of Chief University of Car. I know also professor care there, here, and so on and so forth. I like it very much. Oh, but the president was an affair of you will be. Asalaka na Yuzua, or Aro, who was the name, who would be already. Without the real car, everything the more and they will be passing. Now, we will have same for Japan. And people. Nisha akali maka ifedi ibari pada kusiamba asu bwe wala kaka just taka ni akusia wala gusto akapata sia bluza imani kuna gani owaji apako owaji apako ni bro power zero ma private na nsu mo aja akado and kind of thing the Palace, Ofala. I know Kenya, Ethiopia, and the youth, Buko, Kawan, and the Tokono, Top, and the Bus, Kawan, and Several. When I want to, I never got a car, police. And at this point, we come and cultism, now drug addiction, now violent crimes in the society. Operations of the country, and abandoning was by cultism. So the government and there's another every country to attack these evil crimes. And evil behaviors collectively. I do only one of the cause when we have a drug addict. Japan will have the rehabilitation programs for drug addiction. We'll set up for policy also. When we're in the they are going confidentially. I call it when I take there's only one place to go. All of the agenda, now, when they do it, and all right, all the year, so have to work collectively. We are prepared to move election now and for the application. It was a good work, I was standing as in the beach. Can you only child who do and do also? I did this much I need the body right now. In the general, not a car. You have to go everywhere, person, they do see for everyone. I get everyone and who do, everyone who do, what do we as of Nous avons j'ai and the little machine is a target de l'année. Il faut se réunir en Onitsha. Nous avons all pour les Onitsha, and then it is to pass. Onitsha, chairman of Transition Local Government Commission. No, I am Oja and local government. Government so I like to talk to the it's here now. Guidance them the matter. The pavilion came like a Ambassador Ofala, Ofala, and the ground of the market. So Ofala was moving that beach. Not to come back. They go and they do that in this road. I got that. All of them, all of that as soon as you say, Golibe Festival, me Golibe or when they register. As a camera, that I have a conference, 27th of December, okay, 27th of December, I get the second Onitsha International Conference. So you know that, I went and then we was so far, and where we were going, to go back then and there. Keynote speakers, Professor Ike is a passionate champion of people. The second speaker is Dr. Chuka Soke, who is a youth, because of the youth himself. So the whole agenda is focused on our youth. St. Teresa's Catholic Church at 3:3, the back part, 3:3. 10 o'clock, we go, I have time, I can go to move. We still like Ofala, 10 years after. That's going to our sponsors, our partners, Global, International Breweries, General Foods, RFS, Lotto, Chris to have the Rupondi also, Manchester, and the money line, and the Delpate now working this summer. Of the car, the press, when I get that. On Saturday, I make a room also. All the partners, and when I can do, you won't lose. God bless everybody. That will do. In due course, although we still have a center, which is by
to this year's Ofala Festival, a traditional festival by the Obi of Onitsha, a New Yam Festival, and the celebration of his 18th year in office, his 18th anniversary. The Pension Traditional Arrangement Directorate is versed with taking care of pensioners under the direct benefit scheme. That's pensioners who retired before the 30th of June 2007 and didn't take part in the contributory pension scheme. We have our PITAD stand here, and we're here verifying pensioners. We're here taking pensioners' complaints. We see this as a platform where we'll get most of the senior citizens. A lot of the senior citizens after retirement gravitate to their villages for retirement. So we know that we get a lot of them at such ceremonies. So far, we've been able to verify 13 pensioners here between yesterday and today. We've had 30 people come with complaints. We've gone and done a mobile verification for a pensioner who is not able to come out. We have our head office in Abuja. We have state offices in Lagos, Oka, Enugu, Kaduna, Kano, Sokoto, Damaturu, Yola. I know some people might not be able to get to some of those state offices and they have issues. They might not be able to get to Abuja, they have issues. So we love using such traditional platforms to reach out to our senior citizens if they have any complaints concerning their pension matters, if they have any complaints concerning verification. We use this kind of platform to reach out to them, because we want every pensioner that deserves to earn a pension to be on the payroll. Mr. President is committed to the welfare of pensioners. Pensioners are a priority. Pensioners are a line of first charge, and we're here to make sure that nobody is left behind.
Why are we here? We are in line with our passion for putting our pensions first. We're here now in line with our commitment to ensuring the enhancement of the welfare of our pensioners. Given the fact that in spite of the state offices that we have across the country, which are about 9 of them, our head office, and the several verifications we have done, and in spite of the fact that we have several other platforms which we interface with our pensioners on social media, online, and then by telephone, we still have situations where some of our pensioners are not able to contact us. A festival like this, that is essentially a celebration platform for most senior citizens in the Southeast, represents a very useful platform to interface with our senior citizens, to respond to their inquiries, to verify them for those who have missed verification, to carry out mobile verification for those that are living close by, and to ensure that there is a platform through which they can have a face-to-face interaction with PITAD. We have received a lot of commendation from those who have, using this platform, been able to get their complaints resolved, been able to get onto our payroll. And one of the people who benefited from this are saying that, PITAD, you guys do not know the impact that you are having on the lives of senior citizens who are beneficiaries of the DBS scheme. So this feedback like this continues to give us the motivation, the inspiration to ensure so that we can commit towards pursuing the welfare of our pensioners and continuing to put them first. The President of Nigeria and our Executive Secretary, Dr. Choma Ejikeme, are both committed to ensuring that every pensioner that is qualified to be on the DBS payroll is not left behind. And this we can continue to pursue. Thank you very much.
I want to recognize the presence of Chief Senator Uche Ekunife Iyom Anyawuri. No. She's a senator representing Anambra Central Senatorial Zone. She's the chairman Senate Committee on Science and Technology. She's to be represented by High Chief Kevin Obiebunam Oba Uchendonwu, President General, Ancient in the Kingdom Worldwide. High Chief Kevin Obiebunam, you are welcome. Oba Uchendonwu. We also want to recognize the presence of the National Association of Onitsha students. You're welcome.
Ndunabata Bunde National Youth Council of Nigeria, Onitsha North Chapter of Anabia, Kababia Bola Bogisian. Somewhere, Onitsha Nekete, Yabikabia. Any those is not to pull Zedu. Who have on their patroness. Any those is not to pull Zedu. Banabata.
The National Association of Onitsha Catholic Youth. Now see. Animanuno no. The Alopano Batao.
Because Nanusu Wade, Indian warrior, but they don't want Barry, up on the Barry. One more of another will remain evergreen in the minds of the true sons and daughters of this kingdom. It is a time, such a time, that is on the way careful. You don't do that. I meditate. You see this dollar in our life? Amen. Of people intelligent. I will cherish the brother for the spending money to take a life today. The prayer meditate. So for the interview of God. For the regular. You are the Lord. You can have to put in Lord. You will get up in God. We have one year Nimendia Camino. Odu, also, Odu Gadugu. Senador Odu Osogi. Abon Katuku, Mary Melika Riara. Obiaka, Ebuata Nabo. Obu Wokolondiate. Obu Wodu Wago. Ndị be asịrị nọ ọba ọba bụ ndị obodo ji eke odogwu mbosi gbugbo. Ọ bụ na asị ka adị onye sị ka nụọ awa anya agba. Ewere ụmụ ndị bata obodo ndị ejie n'ama. Onye kwutu ibe were agba na nwanyị agba. Oge ugo onye na ndị isi agha igwe ọ na-abụ ha nwụchie n'ọgbọ edemede egwue n'ụlọọgụ. Ọkụ ndị ọdịka ji eri ebube ndị obodo ji eke. O rukola ụlọ isi abanye ọfịa maka na ọsaka agbọrọ na na-ama ọkụ kwa ama. Onye mmadụ ya ama ndịgbo
Next on the royal drum, the distinguished gentleman of the police force, retired Commissioner of Police, War Department, a man who creates and has his way when he wants it. Please welcome on the royal troop, royal dance, Chief Benedict Adiboa Ajay. Ajay.
Ajay Ukabibu. Ẹ̀wọ̀n lọ lórí àpọ́díkẹ́ díkẹ́ wọ́n sóòkù.
A quarter, please.
Padà àkókò náà gbọ́. Wọ́n máa kọ́ kó àgbọ̀ ọ̀gbàlà. Wọ́n á dìde ní lónìí abalẹ̀ ní.
While the two remaining police are getting ready to go to your boss, Pagano, Uluguno, Ulugaga. The one now, I will take a win, and after we go back to the win the system. I want to go to Jamarawa, Yaba, and for example, because that's the 1 million naira, and nobody will go to the businessman. They can now return 30,000 a week, every year they return 130,000 a month, and that's a lot of money. So I got a raffle for your capital about make sure you have your raffle ticket. Then you go for the best dancers, the best choreography, the best expression in this event. You will win it up. You win your prize, sir.
Over the data. India won, Nile, and the Japanese. Gàdíà tó ti kú tó mẹ́fà. Nígbà ní irúgbé, nígbà kàlàbà sì wẹ́ dé. Bíjọ́lù, ọ̀gá sọ́ọ̀rì kà ń bẹ́ tó ló máa lọ. Na ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí Onitsha, Zakatela Alpha, Nika, even Malono, Ogamofa, Obu, Kitana Papa, Eke, Omo, Inspector CFT, Zakatelo Mosi, Talaga Galaga, Obu, Etra Mavadi, for Inspector Ode, Amolonde. Amolo, okay, Nigeria will win. Let's say look at that. I want to look at the last one, but for the more of the important. After that, on the end of the show, and then we'll take from my hand to go. Maybe you could have I like to say to tell this great story about the town across the Niger River. The town that has produced and is still producing great men and women of this great country, Nigeria. I need to see the content of my oration to recognize the team that is dancing, that is parading the Allah of people this way. One of the generals of His Royal Majesty, even not sure of everything. I see a king in love. I see a king in love. Now, back to the words I was trying to drop earlier on. It may interest you to know that Onitsha is one of the great towns in Nigeria that has produced great men and women in different fields of human endeavor. Today, that same town that is still remaining on the backlog of all the great towns of our country is still doing her best to retain her rich cultural heritage, handed to us by our ancestors. The great and the founding fathers of Onitsha. I am oblivious of the fact that they are here with us today, that they are watching us. I am also believing the fact that they are still fighting for us. They are with us. They live forever. And they shall live forever. Look around us. You will see statues of our great kings. Ladies and gentlemen, let me see the anthem there. Ọ̀gbọ́n ní ilé ìdìbò rédíò, ọ̀gbọ́n ní ilé ìdìbò rédíò, wọ́n náà bọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àti àjọ, wọ́n àgbàdo, táàmì ìjọba ẹsẹ̀, ẹgbẹ́ ìwé ìfọ́ price. Wọ́n máa jẹ́ kí ìṣe ọmọ aláàbò orí ìjà sílẹ̀. Ọ̀gbọ́n ìfọ́ rédíò.
Retired top executive of NNPC. Now we're on the final stage of the choreography competition.
We are going to allow the National Association of Onitsha Catholic Youth make their entrance. They come to pay their respects to the Obi of Onitsha. Obi Nemeka Alfred.
I think let me bring this protocol, please. This is very serious. We have a casualty here. Please, the medics to please arrive fast. There's a casualty.
Medical extra.
Please, the Red Cross, please come forward. There is a casualty here. Please, we need the medics to arrive so fast.
That's a medical emergency, please. Medics, Red Cross, a medical emergency, please.
You want to attach chops, you want to see you. I don't know if you attach chops.
The age grades are looking so beautiful in their respective attire. In no distant time, they shall commence their parade and it's to dance around this very arena today.
We want to let you know that When you start coming, please remember that time is of the essence. Anyway, the judge is there, they are going to give us the ground rules. And if I may Google, who know there, who will honor up and more say so.
Ndena Bata, Ekolabo Bidisi and the Bundesliga Association of Onitsha students, led by their president, Abushi, Ikeme, Anyomoza.
Victor, I need the ever.
General, on a Kabulu Gano. Never.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to drive down the memory lane to put you through the list of 8th grade Indonesia from time immemorial. During the prehistoric time, a long time ago, sorry, not prehistoric anyway, during the 18th century, the first 8th grade recorded in Indonesia history is Ejijiaka. It was the first 8th grade comprising of people of the 8 brackets from 1852 to 1854. Ejijiaka was the first 8th grade in Indonesia, followed by Uchichi, recorded from the 1855 to 1857. Even though 8th grade was third on the list from 1858 to 1860. Akalika was the fourth from 1861 to 1863. And a host of many other 8th grades. Believe me, I doubt if there is anyone within this age limit granted that is still alive today.
anyị ga-ebinye n'ụdị dị iche nọọ ndị telụ bata ọ bụrụzi etelụ abụọ nọọ etelụ bata na-eje n'ofu ahụkụ nọdụ wee na-ete egwu nke unu ya bụ na onye bata notenụ na ụmụnne unu na-abata ọ bụrụ abịa atụrụ ebe niile ọ bụrụ abịa ma ndị ọzọ nọdụ ana anyị ga-ebido na the youngest age grade maka na ya chọrọ casualty ebe a anyị ga-ebido na youngest age grade ya bụ na ndị
ọ bụ ndị Ugodifeze
ọ bụ ndị toro na ndị abụọ
ọ bụ ndị Ugodifeze ọ bụ na-abata displaying their skills and playing the instrument, the Odele and the Ishaka very well.
Now you just have 1 minute there. People marvel 1 minute there. Now you do it. So now that was what. I want to show that one. I don't know. Who went and won the next on the bow, next on the bow. Even in the 12. Who went after that? And Yamaka 8 years. And Yamaka, right? 1972 to 1974. Over whether 1974 to 1976. Now, Pugano, yes,
you've got it right.
1976 to 1978. Can you do more whether they do? This is Ofala, 1978 to 1976.
Onitsha. Ayedo, 1970 to Western Ayedo go.
Today, Daddy, I'm not going to say, I kept John and I'm here. We are born now, I
Ayedo.
I kept John.
Whatever.
If you refuse to comply with the rules, you are losing your marks. Mark you. Grade 1966 to 1968. After Islam, one nation of
hope the judges are taking notes. Distinguished judges. Member of Law. President of Government. And the retired general. You have to be fair.
Onitsha, 1962 to 1964. One Amaka Kedupa, Malu one Kedupa, in the original two, Kedupa, in the one, Kedupa,
God, just begin to calm down. We have officer, ndị officer, ndị nkọrịta, ọbịakụ, ife nkiri, agha dị egwu, ụtabanụ, unu si na unu n'ebe a, ọkpụkpọ ofu onye bụ katọba mgbe kafe. Now, the 1952 to 1954, but that is 50 to 52. Yes. 1950 to 1952. Honorable job. Milita. 1950 to 52. On 9 and Kulu. We fight you. We fight you. Okay. Everyone, and I see grace. I can see. And this is the brainchild of Obi. Also not talk, and then let's go to I go see a real view and a formal from man. Because Eben Gunu. Well, I'm facing Gunu. I'm talking about Guna model. We want to see joy in colors. Joy in different colors. We want to achieve a tapestry of human people expressing themselves in joy. That is what we want to achieve. We have officer. The officer now, Bodo. I see
see you. I sight you. Remember, I see you.
I'm in the ground. They are dancing. I'm in the arena. I'm carrying camera.
I'm bringing up the rear entire vehicles, 1938 to 1940. That's from
and of Hitler, and it's a student of history. You might remember the war. And that war generally rejects Nigeria from 1914 to 1939.
In front of the palace.
The general retired. The other lady is the lady of promise.
I'm busy, sorry.
The president of Onitsha, Ofala.
Yeah. Wait now, they will soon wrap up. Wait now, they finish.
A noble man employed by you. So there are 3 judges who will make the judgment and thereby award the prizes. Those prizes will be given at the banquet on Monday by Joe. The first prize is what your value. The second prize, of course, can keep you awake. The third prize will give chance to go. If the judges are ready, let's pronounce before we go to the raffle draw. There are 5 attempts to go literally before the reenactment takes the final bow. 5 attempts, each of them valued at 1.25 million. Higher project, national value is 900,000. If you're looking less man, you can do 30,000 a week. In 4 weeks, you do 100,000. Those are including this for the cricket driver. There are packages, to not only your ticket, go to the Blue Stand and buy a SIM card and qualify to win a 1.9 million naira ticket. Can the elders go and sit down? Because the 1938 to 1940, because in your love, you don't get anything, you go turn on that, because I have to go to them. Because turn on that, that is our responsibility. The judges are ready. Please be seated. Mother, you mother no prayer. Mother, you mother no prayer. Judges ready. We're ready to roll. The judges are comprised of eminent jurists, not highly friendly, fair-minded, One is a retired military officer, Brigadier Pension, Brigadier retired. The other one is Madam Mossy of Soccer, me, Amado, the daughter of the senior retired railway officer, a nurse, medical practitioner in her own right, of Rush Green Hospital, which is rated top 3 in Nigeria, indeed, Onitsha. So please be seated, please be seated. We don't want people to... Because you know, she's getting around, people who's the reason to go and say, so she gets seated so we can have some less issues of medical conditions. Please, what, you guys must be here before 5 o'clock. President, Ibayo Onidume Buki. Lọ́nà ìdíkà òṣìṣẹ́ aláàrùn ìrọ̀kọ́, and I'm going in the spirit, immediately in the private. I'm going in the spirit, immediately in the private. Because only I can change the result in the spirit. Instructions at the Director of Your Majesty. The Can the younger ones come on stage? Mazeli. Back out the ball, back out.
festival will have to undergo normal procession and installers of entertainment in one style edition. The date of the day festival commencement will be on the 22nd of December. It will start on the 22nd of December and will last till the 4th day of February 2020. The Music Festival is one of the biggest festivals in the Southeast and one of the largest festivals in the whole of Africa. It's an international festival that will witness athletes, elite athletes from different parts of the country. It also involves the display of culture, the Bowl Festival from different parts of the land. All right, sir.
The results are ready. And the categorize the three groups. I just thank the judges at this stage. Brigadier Mr. Fokker, the rep of Claude Dallon or Igualo. The delegate, please. The delegate, please. Delegate, please, can you make yourself available? Delegate, please. As you know, there are three groups in this competition. We will announce from the third to runner-up and the winner in the three groups. Down. Let's announce the result. I was the last foot draw after this. Down. The team. Osebulu and Yellow, down.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to announce the results of the winners of the respective age grades. The first, we are going to start by calling on the winners from the oldest age grade in Onitsha. The second runner-up of the first grade is Unkaleka age grade, 1944 to 1946. Debuted, and the first runner-up is Officer from 1946 to 1948, and the age grade that emerged as the winner of the front grade is Nkilika Ifenkili age grade, 1941 to 1943. Now coming to the second section, the second grade of the age grades in Onitsha, we have the second runner-up as Nebrife age grade. One Nebrife age grade.
age grade.
From 1956 to 1958, and the first runner-up